message 3. A neuroscientist reveal how to think differently. Neuroscientist ने reveal किया कि किस तरीके how to think differently. 32nd question is exposure to different events forces the brain to think differently. किस दा exposure different events दा force करता है कि brain नू कि think differently. Iconoclasts are unusually receptive to the new experiences. Iconoclasts बंदे जेड़ा कि कह लिया जावे कि उन्हों दा view जेड़ा है generally opposite होंदा, right? जेड़े कि आप traditionally beliefs नू लेके चलदे कि इदां होगा, जेड़े iconoclasts होंदे आ वो थोड़ा जिहा नहीं ज़्यादा ही who are having a strongly opposite view, right? Chalo. 32nd one. Exposure to the different events forces the brain to think differently. Very next paragraph. The examiner likh raha, the best way to see things differently to other people is to bombard the brain with things it has never encountered before. Novelty releases the perceptual process from the chains of the past experience and forces the brain to make new judgments. Novelty meaning is that the quality of being new and unusual. Answer is clear cut. Yes, for the question number 32nd. Think differently, make new judgments, exposure to the different events. ਉਹਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗਾ to bombard the brain with things it has never encountered before. Answer for your 32nd is yes. Question number 33rd. Iconoclasts are unusually receptive to new experiences. Same next line, paragraph. Successful iconoclasts have an extraordinary willingness to be exposed. Have an extraordinary willingness to be exposed. Unusually receptive, fresh and different. The new experience di gall ho gayi. Answer is again yes. Question number 34th. Most people are too shy to try different things. This is what they have not mentioned in the passage. Answer is not given. Question number 35th. If you think in an iconoclast way, you can easily overcome fear. To see easily overcome fear. देखते हैं कि इस मामले च वो की लिख रहा. Next very paragraph. The problem with the novelty, however, is that it tends to trigger the brain's fear system. Fear is a major impediment to thinking like an iconoclast and stops the average person in his tracks. Option comes out to be for your 35th one. Only kasi fear is a major impediment to thinking like an iconoclast and stops the average person in his tracks. It meaning is a question statement nu contradict kar gaya, right? Answer for your 35th comes out to be no, right? जो iconoclast के मुताबिक सोचता है ता ओ fear तो overcome नहीं कर सकता. Question number 36 and answer for your 36th one is not given. This is what they have not mentioned. Fear of public speaking is a psychological illness. अच्छा जी. Same paragraph. लिख दो जी. But is it the fear public speaking भी मिल जाता अपन. But fear of public speaking, which everyone must do from time to time, afflicts 1/3 of the population. This makes it too common to be considered a mental disorder. This makes it too common to be considered a mental disorder, right? So ਇਹਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਹੋਇਆ ਕਿ ਆਪਾਂ so common that ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ consider ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਇੱਕ psychological limits ਦੇ ਮਾਮਲੇ 'ਚ answer comes out to be no for your question number 37th one.